Welcome to Arable Plus, showcasing the practices arable farmers are using to enhance their cropping and wider farming enterprises, as well as trying to quantify the benefits. Up in Morayshire, Ian Green tells us about his experiences with green manures.
Green manure crops, this is just the second year we've grown them. Winter stubbles followed by green manure, so they're always drilled in the springtime. This field here was drilled on the 21st of April and it'll be left in to the 1st of March as the spring barley is to follow this crop. We have got several other areas where winter cereals is followed, and we would just top or disc the green cover prior to ploughing, whether it's springtime or winter time. In this green cover mix we've used this year, there's 2 kilos of Phacelia, 2 kilos of crimson clover and 6 kilos of vetch. Gives a total of 10 kilos to the hectare. The cost's about £54 a hectare. And drilling establishment, it's gone in just with a 1-pass disc and cooter drill right into the stubbles. Next year this particular field will go into spring barley, so we've just drilled half the field with a green cover. Next year it'll be the other half, and the half that was in green cover will be put into spring barley. So we grow green cover, it always follows over wintered stubbles. We are in an acre scheme for it, and it fits in quite well to see if we can build up a bit of fertility and soil structure back into the ground by using it in a rotation when we're in cereals. To date we haven't seen a huge benefit from growing the green cover, simply because this is only our second year of doing it. What I will say is this year you'll see this crop's quite dead almost looking, apart from a wee bit of crimson clover in the bottom. Last year it was the complete opposite. When we mulched it in, it was green and really lush when we put it in the winter time when we drilled in wheat. I think the establishment of the winter wheat in the heavy land was much better following the green manure. I think it kept the soil structure more open during the winter, and the establishment of the crop seemed to be much better. But it's difficult to know until we get it in a few years rotation.
Arable Plus considers the different methods being used by arable farmers around the country to add more to their businesses. Over the winter, we'll try to quantify some of the benefits, not only financially, but also in terms of the benefits to the soil and the wider farm business. For more information, visit the FAS website or come along to the next Arable Plus meeting.